DHL Red 5 is clear to land. Winds 340 at 5010.
Clear to land. DHL Red 5.
Welcome to CVG Hub. Control to Young 5 Ram Team. Red 5 inbound. Gate 3.
Every night, approximately 250,000 packages make their way through the CVG Hub on their journey to their final destination. From the moment the plane lands, our ramp team work towards guiding the aircraft into their designated spots, securing and downloading all unit load devices, or ULDs.
Because of me, the aircraft are unloaded safely and leave on time.
The tug drivers work closely with the ramp team to ensure all ULDs are transferred safely from the aircraft to the hub.
Because of me, the ULDs get back and forth from the planes to the sort, so they can make it to their destination.
The unload team handle every package with care as they transfer each of them into the automated sorting facility.
Because of me, all shipments are transferred to the sort safely and quickly.
The mezzanine team guide the shipments into the correct location and clear any congestion along the belt system.
Because of me, all packages are guided to the correct location, and any issues with the belt system are properly handled.
The smalls team handle letters and other small packages, unloading and reloading large bags of small items to send toward their destination.
Because of me, small items are transferred and sorted with care.
While the B5 and forklift teams take care of the unloading, reloading, and sorting of larger items.
Because of me, large shipments are transferred to the right place safely.
All items, large or small, are carefully scanned for customer visibility by the reload team, and each empty ULD is built up with shipments sorted by destination.
Because of me, customers know their packages are in safe hands.
The tug drivers then return the ULDs to the ramp team, who load the aircraft for departure. It takes each team to ensure all packages are handled with care and delivered on time.
Because of me.
Because of me.
Because of me.
Because of me.
Join the team today at dhlcvg.jobs.